this as a horn. I'm a unicorn now.
You're not a unicorn.
Liar! Oh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing or making slime, but it's ice cream. So it looks like it's supposed to be really stretchy, slow stretchy, and it says create and crush here. And it says shape, mix, and play. So it feels like we're supposed to mix it.
Do we have instructions?
Oh gosh, there goes the ice cream cone.
Come on.
Yeah. So we've got, I guess, the sprinkles, more sprinkles, and glitter. And this is the ice cream cone we're supposed to do the slime in. It's time to see what's in this ice cream scoop. Ah! Nothing. Yeah, right. You can't check. Oh, me? What is this? Glue? Honestly, I have no clue what this is. But I guess we're gonna make it into something. But yeah, I think this is slime. We don't get to make slime. Boo. I guess we're just gonna add sprinkles to it. And more sprinkles. And of course, my desire, glitter. So this is slime. Pretty nice and pink. But not pink enough. Or not glittery enough. So that's why we got sprinkles. So we put the glitter and the stuff in the containers so we don't make a mess. This is satisfying. But yeah. I'm also gonna start with the glitter and sprinkles. So let's get on with the video. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Little bit of sprinkles. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. A little bit more. Ooh. it back. Mix it in. More sprinkles. Oh. Oh. Done, basically. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm almost done. Feels like this is gonna be the quickest video we've ever did. But let's get on with more videoing. More glitter. Oh. Oh.
Ew, I farted. Was that you?
No, it was the slime, I promise. I promise it was me. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Ooh. Nice.
Oh, that looks pretty. Ooh, you know what? It can be a donut.
Oh, yes. There.
That
Perfect
is a
donut.
donut.
It's a donut. Not no ice cream cone. So this is my beautiful ice cream slash donuts. And I think it's pretty nice. I'm happy with it. I like it. It's more of a donut than an ice cream now. But I need to try something out first. Hold on, guys. I'll be... Ooh. It's an ice cream now. Kind of. Yeah, it's ice cream now. Oh gosh, the ice cream's melted now. But you like my ice cream? If you do, please hit subscribe. Ooh, I like that. Subscribe if you like my videos. And like if you like this video. And also to hit that bell button if you want more of my videos. Ooh, I can use this as a horn. I'm a unicorn now.
You're not a unicorn.
Liar! Oh. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.